Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I'm going to share with you another one of Laura's quick tips. This tip actually was brought on by the January 2020 Paper Pumpkin Kit because it comes with this giant fabulous floral background image. So you can see that this image fits this clear block D like perfectly. So it's a large image, and I just wanted to share with you on how to get a perfect image stamped whenever you're working with larger images such as this one, or when you're working with ones that are solid. So I'm going to show you first stamping it. I'm just inking it up in mint macaron, and I'm going to stamp it. Oh, and I can already see that the center didn't get fully inked, so I just want to kind of ink around, and I'm going to stamp it down. Now I can already tell you that here in the middle the ink is not touching the paper because I can tell by the way it looks. And I'm gonna press, and I still feel like it's not really changing right there. Even though I'm pressing right there, I will also say that I am working on a wooden table, which is very strong and secure and flat. There's no bowing or give to it, but I'm just not getting that strong image. So of course I could always pick this up and rub on the back. I'm just using a scrap piece, so if you saw that stamped on the back, and I could do that and then get that fabulous image. But that's not always possible to do. So one of the things that I recommend using for big images like this, or for ones that are a large smooth surface, is using the Stampin' Pierce mat. This is like a solid foam mat, and it just gives that little bit of oomph to help get such a fabulous, strong image. So I can already see that it actually touched the cardstock here in the middle this time without having to press a ton in the middle. And there you have that fabulous look. So of course both of these do look good because I did rub the back of it when I picked up the cardstock, but that's not always doable. So it's always awesome to be able to use this Stampin' Pierce mat to get that perfectly smooth, nice image every single time. With photopolymer, it's almost like you need that little bit of pressure like you do with the foam stamps. So the foam stamps have that little bit of foam and give to them. So with photopolymer, since it doesn't have that, the Stampin' Pierce mat does wonders for that. So you can always use the Stampin' Pierce mat for piercing, but you can also use it for stamping. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's little Laura's quick tips, and I hope it helps give better stamping on larger images in your craft room so that you can enjoy stamping a lot more stress-free. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and check out my blog laurastamppad.com for other fabulous tips and tricks. I'll see you next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.